So I have recently put on the SuperSteer Radius Rods on my F-53 Newmar Class A gas coach. And I've done a lot of upgrades to it. The Radius Rods were one of the last things I did. And with all the other items, the handling was getting better, but I still had some wander down the road. It would slowly, just kind of having to steer the coach back and forth. Putting the Radius Rods on, it really tightened the front steering up to where now you can basically just hold the steering wheel in one place, the coach goes where you tell it to go. There's no wander at all. It also seemed to stiffen up my front suspension as far as sway. I did the upgrades to the sway bars, but the Radius Rods also had an effect there by stiffening both sides of the front suspension. I really recommend Radius Rods. They're a good product to have, and the ones from the SuperSteer rods are amazing.
Thank you.
All right.